Hey everybody, Unifirst Yelp reviews. If you've Googled this, Unifirst Yelp reviews, there's probably one of two reasons why you are Googling Unifirst Yelp reviews. Number one, that you are looking to negotiate a contract and you want to see if they're a good quality company. Most likely you're seeing that all of the reviews are bad. There are a couple of good operators out there, but most people are bad. You're going to see a difference between the Google reviews, which sometimes you'll see around 4.4, 4.5, and then you'll go to the same local uniform rental company, the one for Unifirst, and you'll see that their Google reviews are 4.5, but their Yelp reviews are like 1.5. Well, what's the deal with that? Well, these people, it's hard to get Yelp reviews and good Yelp reviews, and it's easy to get the Google ones, and that's a simple fact. So the Yelp reviews are going to give you a better truth as to how good of a company they are. The second reason you could possibly be looking for Unifirst Yelp reviews is because you're in an arbitration proceeding, you're trying to figure out, I need some help, what are other companies experiencing, how can I prevent this from happening, how can I cancel my contract, things like that. And so if you found this video, it's a good thing. I'm a uniform rental expert. I help people write legal letters, I help them write cancellation letters, I help them to cancel their contracts. I help them to do a lot of things. I do depositions. I'm an expert witness. I write expert consultant reports, and I also I send some of the merchandise out to test it to give us more evidence if we have to go to arbitration. So if you're looking for help, call me up. The first call is free, and I'll help you out the best I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye now.